Cite your name. Do solemnly swear that as a participant in this sport fest, I shall faithfully observe the rules of good conduct, health, and safety habits.
Deliver his welcome remarks. There are a lot of initiatives being taken by women in leadership. They're really, in terms of safety, nakita natin na nagtatanim kayo ang puno.
Kala mo dati ah.
PBA. Kaya
Dito pa rin. Ngayon, napapansin nyo, pag nagpuntahan lahat dito,
no lapping.
lang kayo.
You here, reported not to
Huwag
lap.
kayong magpupuntahan ng Totoro kasi nakakapasa sila rito.
Mr. Mega.
Basta tandaan nyo pwesto nyo. Kapag meron...
Some technical.
user-friendly because we provided some guides on the operator on how to operate it, what up to what level can they put the angle and certain position on the rubber, certain position on the arm stop. Now, aside from that, we would like to propose to you that this should be a trouble-free arrangement for you because we are willing to undergo a build, operate, transfer scheme. That means we will build the catapult, we will operate it for you, and we will transfer the ownership of the catapult after certain years, after your people have been used to using it. That's why in our build, operate, transfer scheme, we have our operator, Alder Bukal. We will assign him into the operations of your catapult until at least for 2 years, until such time, because we think that in 2 years' time, your people would have been trained already and have gotten used to using the catapult. So with that, let me go over to the experiment side on how we came out with a better product on the catapult. So let me present to you Irma Cruz, our sales rep, to discuss the documentation of experiment.
Good morning, everyone. This is our documentation of experiment. Okay, for the documentation of a planned experiment, our objective is to develop a more precise and accurate catapult. The background information is that Team 1, we as the has to prove to a prospective catapult buyer that their catapult is the best in fighting fires because of its accuracy and precision. On the experimental variables, our response variables we use is the distance. Measurement technique is the tape measure, foil marker, and marking pen. Factors under study are the drawback angle with two levels, 150 and 180. The cap setting at 2 levels also, 4 and 6. Arm stop, 2 levels at 3 and 5. Rubber band attachment, 2 levels at 1 and 3. Front arm tension point, 2 levels at 2 and 4. For background variables, we have the stability of base. The method of control is enlarge base, put weight on base. And for the operator, we have a trained operator. And measurement, we have 2 measurers. Let me turn you over to Mr. Ray.
Okay, what we did with our experiment is we had a full factorial design initially. Wait, no, this is not we had a fractional factorial design. So we use 5 factors, of which of course the 5 factors are the arm stop, the cup position, the front arm, drawback, and arm band, and 16 runs, 1/2 fractions using resolution 5. So after that, we went through that exercise, we found out that only one factor was not significant, which is the arm stop position. So we ended up using four factors. Of course, before we went through that, we went through the process capability and we found this information on the Z scores. So we came up with the ZLT and CS short term and came up with a C shift value. Now, going back to after going through the fractional factorial design, we went to the full factorial when we took out 1 factor and limited now to the 4 factors, which is drawback angle, front arm tension, cup location, and rubber attachment. We use also the center points, that's why we had 31 runs. And the prediction equation that came out is this one, is y is equal to a constant of 183.094 plus the 33.95, which is B. B is the band, rubber band attachment. 26.67 is the cup location. And 56.22 is the angle, the drawback angle. And then 40, then we use 4 points, this is supposed to be B, 49.0283. This is supposed to be F, 48.0283 F, that's the front arm attachment, and 4.79 BC, which is the coefficient between the interaction of the band attachment and the cup position. 7.9, which is a coefficient also of the band attachment, and this time is the angle, drawback angle. And 6.031 is the coefficient between the cup position and the drawback angle. And another coefficient plus 8.656 coefficient of the cup and front arm attachment. And the last interaction is a 19.844, which is interaction between the front arm and the drawback angle. So these are the buffer tolerance limits. The upper buffer tolerance limit came out as 163.7871. Lower buffer tolerance limits came out at 170.77. So we have a buffer tolerance band of minus 6.99. Now let me turn you over to the next presenter, which will be presenting the XY map and the
Okay, to ensure that our customers will be satisfied with our product, we paid attention to the details of using our product, the Cataphone. We use this XY process map, which is a concept in Six Sigma. You know, our people are trained in Six Sigma. Most of them were trained in the world-class hotel in Makati, using world-class facilities and world-renowned gurus of Six Sigma from India and abroad. Okay, so we have here the major process step, the inputs and the output of each step. So to complement this XY process map, we also use the analysis, what we call the failure mode and effect analysis, which give us the opportunity to determine what could go wrong in each process, how bad it could go wrong, and what are we going to do if something goes wrong. So something is going wrong. Okay. So we have the process step, the potential failure mode, the effect of the failure, and the severity, occurrence, and detection. The rating on severity and occurrence and detection were based on the experience of our people who are involved in the process, and also based on consensus. Okay. So the next So based on the consensus, we identified two processes with high RPM, 450 and 150, the base setup and the measurement distance. So we decided to line up corrective action for these steps. So Dennis will discuss the control plan.
Good morning. Well, to establish the continuous satisfaction for the customer, we have made a backup control plan, and we have identified different processes, operation, equipment, We have the characteristics of the product, of the process. We have also identified the methods. We have made the evaluation on sample frequency. Then we have the control methods established for each processes involved. And at the last column, we have also the reaction plan. So this is in such a way that continuous usage and satisfaction will be ensured to our future customers who will be using the catapult.
Okay, we've also provided some visual aids in the usage of the catapult. So these are some of the symbols that we're using. No, sorry. Okay. So aside from that, if you look at the actual the catapult, we have provide some guidance to the users. So definitely one of the to summarize everything. Well, our product is accurate and precise. It's the we've got the bragging rights of being the best in the universe. But later we will prove it to you during the actual demonstration. We will make sure that we will suppress the fire right on target and it's user friendly. And of course, with the build, operate, transfer arrangement, definitely your people will get free training, including the materials on how to use this. With that, let us conclude our presentation and allow us to be able to demonstrate this product at your most convenient time. And we look forward to a very impressive demonstration later in a few minutes. Thank you very much.
Well, I'd like to congratulate everybody here for doing a good job. Though the scores are still with me, will be known after some time. But overall, I think everybody did a good job there. Okay. What time is it now?
10:10.
10:10. Okay. Another 10 minutes. We'll be all outside taking a shot. Okay. I will announce the team there itself. All teams should be ready there with their catapults, balls, whatever set us that measurement tape, everything should be available. 10 minutes.
Ready. Ready na yung laptop, tsaka catapult. Napacheck nila yung ano? Equation. Pacheck mo.
Sorry? 3. Eight. Okay. 2 8 remains.
Okay, next.
Okay, that's okay. 5 shots a row. 5 shots a row. Okay. Another one. There we go.
Iruwas mo na kami.
Two miss. Three misses. Four misses. Hey, one hit. Okay. Okay lang, pababaan mo. Okay. Very good, very good. Team 1. Two. Team 2. 3 hits out of 10. Okay lang. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Team 5, please. Hey, one hit. Okay. Okay lang, pababaan mo. Okay. Very good, very good. Team 1. Two. Team 2. 3 hits out of 10. Okay lang. Ready? Ready?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Team 5, please. Okay, here we go. 5 minutes.
Kami nga tanong within the region.
Hindi, yung pinili ko na yung recording.
180.3.
Ulit. Okay, ulit. Game.
180.3.
180.3. 139.9 ang pullback. 139.9. Tingnan mo yung base. Yan.
Paul.
Praise the Lord! Tama!
Gumalaw ba?
Tama! Oh, ulitin mo na lang yan, 5 beses para.
Apat na lang. Miss.
139.9. 139.9.
If very good.
In favor of 140. In favor of 140 ka. In favor of 140.
Very good.
In favor of 140 ka.
Yes.
140 mo na, 140 mo.
Oh, shots fired. Five na yan.
Five na. Five all is done. Here we go. Another one. Started? Yeah, started.
Yeah, started.
Wait.
Yeah, it told you. 2 minutes. Yeah, I told you. Isn't it?
Pare, may genetic engineer sila.
24.4.
167.6.
Watch it or not.
Sino yung base? 167.6.
Mars, sa kabila ka sa'yo.
This angle, mali sa angle. This angle. Nasa yung metro ulit. Yung metro.
Don't touch the target.
Kunin mo yung measurement. Ano? Lagay mo sa gitna.
Gitna. 324.3.
Ah, good. 24.3. Ha? Taga. 167.6.
Hit, miss. Second miss.
Minutes mo.
145. Layo pa.
Ano yung angle eh? Ito. Hindi, di ba pinupush pa mo yun pa kaya? Ganyan. Sige.
Hindi kayo naka-align.
Taga, dito pa tayo.
Hindi naka-align.
Yan. Sige. Patabingi tayo.
Katabingi. Hindi naka-align.
Hindi align.
Alex.
Mas malamang kayo dito sa gawin rito at pero...
Yan.
Konti pa. Okay.
How much time?
225. 225.
Ano yung full back mo? 167.6.
Miss.
Tagilid.
Pero tama ba? Kaya lang tagilid.
Okay. Nice.
Okay ba? Hindi, nag-move eh. Nag-move, delikado kayo.
Nice.
Last na pare. Pagbuti mo. Take your time. Ilang seconds pa, sir?
1 minute pa.
Dali, mata-time na. Dali.
Dali.
Puta, hindi ko pala na. Hindi ko na ako ng picture.
Team number. Team number 4. Team number 4. Quiet, please. Team number 4. Other 3 take a seat. Quiet, please. Team number 4.
Alan, konti. Ito. Kanan na konti.
Ready? One with west.
Take time.
2 with 2 with 6. Time.
Take time, Lee.
West. Short. 3 minutes. Hit it. Okay. One more.
That's yan.
Yes!
Parang billions,
Okay, let's go. Another one.
Adjust. Okay, 3, 1, 6. 3, 16.
Time, atrás. The first one. Yes.
Nice job. Good. Take time, Lee. Take time. Nice job. Last two dyan. Take time. Nice job. Take time.
One more to go. One more.
One. Turn lang. Yes.
Okay. Now,
6.
Mamadali kayo lahat.
6,
5 minutes yan. Take your time. Sila Alex, 2 minutes na. Kung hindi kayo nagmadali, mas mag-score.
Team number 3, please. Go.
Wala pa.
Okay.
Starts na.
Sorry about this. The setting, catapult setting measurement is from here, not from there, please.
Okay. Yeah, adjust.
Yes, yes.
Don't touch the target.
Yan. Yan.
Sige, sige.
Sige, may naman eh. Pointer naman eh. Ano yung pointer natin? 174. 174.
Ano?
Okay.
Setting. Ano setting, pare?
2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Okay. Tapak.
Exot.
Check. 174.
Yes.
Angel, Angel. Okay. Take your time, pare. Take your time. Tama ko na yan.
Yes.
Go, go, go. Yes! Go, go, go!
Ito pinakamahina nakakatama.
Wala pang 1 minute take or
Pare,
time.
take your time, pare. 5 minuto yan. I-delay muna natin sila para suspense.
2 minutes na.
Yes! One more, one more.
Hindi naman basketball yan ah.
Take or time. Nasa 3 minutes pa lang tayo.
Yes! Good, good!
Okay. Another one. Alright. And go.
What?
Start.
What? Pare, pare, pare.
Sige, sige.
Engel, engel. Engel, pare. Engel, engel. Tulong mo, tulong mo, tulong mo.
Time.
Check
5 yan,
time.
5. Move, 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 move. Bakit?
Nasa paa mo, nasa paa mo. Sige.
Tapingi on natin, metro.
Okay tayo ha.
Tama, sa point. Sige, okay.
Fire. Setting.
Eh,
Sukat.
330. Ha?
330, 330.
330. 443 eh. 443.
443.
Dapat may comment
Hindi
ganito.
445 ha.
Parang
443.
Superman.
143, pare, 143.